We start with 2 pieces of fabric each folded into 4. For each piece, divide your waist circumference by 12.5 plus desired length of the skirt and 1 inch for sewing allowance. Place both pieces on each other so it looks like this, and you have 4 folded ends on top of each other like so. The next thing to do is to mark your waist radius around that point. Pivot, mark and connect. Then mark the length of your skirt plus ½ inch seam allowance from the marked point. Now from the tip, just mark and pivot the total length you have, that is your radius plus the length of your skirt. The next thing to do is to just connect your lines. Now while cutting each of the lines, please leave some sewing allowance or some seam allowance at the radius for turning with a bias strip. Now you have 2 pieces of fabric that look like this. The next thing to do is to just cut each of them open at whatever end you want, at whatever end of the circle. Just cut them open and then open them up. After you're done, just open them up, place them on top of each other, right sides facing each other, and then join with your seam allowance like so. So I've just gone ahead to do just that, and the next thing I'm going to do is to use a bias strip to turn the waist of the skirt so it will be neat. Now after turning the waist, this is what it looks like with your bias strip. So you can just fold them together now. Fold your skirts together, right sides facing, and then from the point of the waistline, come down by about 4 inches for inserting the zipper. Go in by 1 inch or whatever your seam allowance is remaining, and then just join it. I have gone ahead to sew it downwards, and I'm going to insert the zip at the upper side, which is left open for the zipper. After inserting the zip, this is what it looks like. Next, just go ahead and use your bias strip to turn the hem of the skirt so it is neat and tidy. This is the skirt opened up. Please give this video a like and subscribe to see more DIY projects. And this is what the skirt looks like on our model. Yours can be with a waistband. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.